What if today is the day you discover the online income you've been hoping for? Maybe it's not just an accident or coincidence that you found this video. And what if instead of binge watching videos and doom scrolling, you could learn how to make videos that would bring you an income and build an online business? Recently, I sold my business. As I was preparing for that transition, I started looking for ways to make passive income. I invested in two assets. An asset is just any resource that you own, tangible or intangible, that is expected to bring you an income. In addition to running my business, I had been hosting international students in my home for years. So one of the investments was finishing my basement so that I could host one or two more students. This is a relatively passive income because I mostly host adult female students, usually requiring less work. I do make dinner for everyone most every night, but I have to eat anyway, and I enjoy the conversation, so it really doesn't feel like work. The second investment I made was a one-time purchase of a digital marketing course. Someone I had met previously in an unrelated group was recommending this program, and it caught my attention. I trusted her, not only because of her knowledge of online skills, but also because, like me, she is a woman of faith. As I looked into it further, I realized that the program would include comprehensive training in online marketing and also a very supportive community. Even better, I would have opportunity to resell this program and keep 100% of the profit. That was my very first encounter with what is called master resale rights. As a fan of personal growth, I've taken other courses that offered affiliate commissions, usually around 30 to 50%. Never had I seen one for 100%. The potential here was something entirely new to me. In the digital world today, you don't have to share profits with anyone. You can keep 100% of the profit. Imagine this week getting one customer and profiting $1,400 or even $900. How many customers would you need on a monthly basis to cover your expenses, maybe travel, spend more time with your family and friends? Not only do you get to keep 100% of the profit, it can be automated. You don't have to spend hours looking for customers. You don't have to phone anyone. You don't have to be in your DMs. You don't even have to process the sale or follow up. An automated system can do all that for you. When I learned this, it was like a big sigh of relief. I could grow an income online in my selective retirement, no longer trading time for dollars, and completing my revenue-generating activities in only a couple of hours a day. I spend on average an hour a day creating social media content, 30 minutes a day interacting in groups where my ideal clients hang out, and up to 30 minutes responding to comments and emails. That's the 2-hour workflow that drives traffic to my automated system. The automated system does the sales process for me. I make 100% profit. That's the awesome system that allows me to spend more time on fitness, volunteering, and being with my friends. And that's the system that can give you freedom to do the things that you love to do. This program isn't for everyone. You need to be coachable and take consistent action to get results. Content marketing is the core part of this program. You need to be willing to learn only the basic technical skills. Building a profitable online business does require some level of financial investment, whether it's in tools, online marketing, or ongoing education. If you're unwilling to invest in yourself, you may not be ready for this information. I say this from a heart of love. If you're unwilling to invest in yourself, you may not be ready for this opportunity. But this program is perfect for you if you want to make extra income from home but don't know where to start. Your 9-to-5 job doesn't provide financial security, and you need a better way. You want to work from anywhere using just your phone or laptop. Retirement is just around the corner, and you need a reliable income stream. You're a busy parent looking for a flexible, family-friendly business. You've tried other opportunities but struggled to see real results. You want a step-by-step system that takes the guesswork out of online business. If you want to learn more about the Freedom Formula Blueprint and how you can keep 100% of the profit, click on the link in the description. Thanks for spending this time with me today. This YouTube channel helps Christian women over 50 build a sustainable income in retirement without hustle or gimmicks. If we haven't met yet, I'm Carol, and I help empower Christian women who want to retire early by teaching you how to build an online profitable business. As an entrepreneur, I've built 3 profitable businesses in different areas: stained glass, financial services, and hosting international students. Our work evolves over time, depending on our needs and God's leading. My stained glass hobby turned into a business when my corporate job ended and the office closed. My financial career started when my husband was diagnosed with Alzheimer's, and it became clear that the income from the profitable stained glass business would not be enough. And I've hosted international students in my home for the last 10 years while working, after a PSW or personal service worker told me about her experience with hosting students. And now I'm grateful for someone telling me about this online opportunity in digital marketing that's only going to grow over the coming years. I want to be that person for you, the person who shows you how to retire early from a stressful job, the one who shows you how to grow a profitable business so that you can pay off debt and have more time with your family, the one who introduces you to the skills, program, and community that will build your confidence online. So if you want to earn income online after 50, do this first. Be sure to click on the link for the Freedom Formula Blueprint, either in the description or in the comments. In the next video, I'll share 5 truths about growing income online after 50. It will help you to begin to understand what to expect and where to begin. I also share why I believe women over 50 have the online advantage. See you in the next video.